exploring. Today we'll be exploring 4 girly sandwiches, as served in our local drugstore dinerette. A progressive druggist who has a store in a retail shopping district has gradually evolved a list of what he calls girly sandwiches. Sandwiches popular with the ladies. Among his customers, the women outnumber the men about 3 to 1. Here are some of the combinations dear to the girlish heart. Heart. Arr. The pimento sandwich is simply pimento cheese spread on slices of buttered bread. Minced olives are added to this.
Girly! It's so girly! Next!
Cream cheese is a popular foundation. And to this is added minced pickles. Chopped walnuts to make those various combinations.
It's girly! And I like it. Oh, I really like this one. It said sweet diced pickles. We used relish. That makes sense. I really like this one. Cream cheese, relish, and walnuts. Next!
The term marmalade sandwich explains itself.
Marmalade! I haven't had marmalade since I was this big. Orange marmalade. Whoa! I hated marmalade as a kid. I hated it. I haven't had it in decades. I like it. Orange marmalade. Wow! Oh, that's yummy! Next!
The chicken salad sandwich is just what the name indicates. A small portion of chicken salad dispensed in a sandwich, and is immensely popular with his feminine patrons.
Walmart chicken salad sandwich. I've never tried Walmart chicken salad. Let's give it a go. Rotisserie. It's pleasant. I never tried this. I never buy pre-made chicken salad. Huh. Let's give it a try here. There's a lot of chicken. A little pickly. Wow, it's much better than I thought. I have a love-hate relationship with their coleslaw. I like Publix coleslaw, but Walmart coleslaw tends to taste a little off or something. This is very tasty. I think it could use a little salt, but it was pretty good. I'm very surprised. Walmart rotisserie chicken salad. Wow. Hey! 1914. Girly sandwiches from 1914. I like this. I like their chicken salad. I'm very surprised. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.